Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I'll be going through with you or highlighting how I would learn SEO if I were to start over again. Awesome. So, as you know, if you know, there are four main components or three main components of SEO that I consider. So there's on-page SEO, there's off-page SEO, and there's the technical part of SEO. So those are the three most important things. So on-page SEO refers to the things that actually go on the website. So if I were to begin and start over learning SEO, I'd want to know the terms that are used in SEO. So you want to know what a title tag is, what alt tag is, the description. You need to understand all of these terms so that you may be able to receive information from whoever's website you might be fixing, as well as know the tools that needs to be used. Like for example, Href SEMrush. Some people have their preference. Mine personally is Href. There's so much more tools out there. So that's something that you want to also keep in mind when you are learning on-page SEO. And under on-page SEO falls so much things as well. So you want to make sure that your pictures are there. Sorry, that's more technical, but the content on the website is matching to what the person is searching. It goes so much on keyword research, answering relevant questions, presenting solutions, presenting services to that search query. So that's something that you definitely want to highlight when you're doing that. So the next thing is off-page SEO. So the off-page SEO is practically your link building, your guest posting, and so much more. That is everything related to not your website. So it's everything pointing toward your website. Remember, we need link building so that we can show Google, which Google is a search engine, that this website of ours is authoritative, and others think so as well. And the next thing that you want to consider, or I'll learn, is technical SEO. So technical SEO is practically the backbone of your website. So our website is like a car. It needs constant maintenance. And if you don't, you will suffer in SERPs. So SERPs is search engine result pages. So when a person is looking for you, they might not find you just because of so many broken links on your website and so on. So technical SEO covers broken pages, fixing broken pages, site architecture, making sure that there's no broken links. Anything that is broken on your website shouldn't be there. It should be 100%, and you should always think about. But the next thing that I want to cover is something that I even learned here myself. ProLemon is thinking strategically, thinking commercially. So usually when you are in SEO, they divert a lot to how do I fix this? Because a portion of SEO is technical SEO. So you want to learn how to strategize, to think in the broader issue and see the ground level and see your objective. Always know your objective to see where you're going with that SEO strategy that you are having. Awesome. So that is just some tips that I would have for you. We do offer SEO courses. If you are interested, please do stalk us at prolemon.com. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Till the next video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned. Bye.